think. Oh yeah, the stream's working again. Okay. So because they updated the drivers, and that it killed the stream because the stream was using the drivers. Actually, I didn't crash the game. Just OBS was using the drivers to run the stream. A reboot required for details. I'm pretty sure that's the old version still. Right? Let me see. Oh, it was 31, and that might be the newer one. 31. It's pretty close to the new one, but it's not the newest. Or no, it's actually a newer number than this. Oh. Oh wait, this is 2020. 31. Well, it's much newer than what we had before. Okay. Reboot required. I probably won't reboot at the moment, but we'll reboot later. So that's the internal graphics card. Okay. Oh, THK's here. I'll let them know that I figured out. Okay. So we updated the internal graphics card to that number. Let me see if it shows up properly here now. Properly. Driver. Okay. So then we do this. And we're at 190 crashes. That's crazy. Oh, this is the newest one. Okay. They're saying, oh yeah, oh. I think it ended in a 40, but okay. Oh, that is so strange because we tried updating that several times and it didn't really update before. Let me look at this one. Oh yeah, we downloaded this one. So I have the new version of this one too. Let's disk drivers. I don't like disk drivers of the computer. Is this the motherboard here? ACPI. What is this? Refers to a modern superpower computer using advanced configuration power interface. Managed by operating system like Windows. And firmware. Okay. So this must be like the stuff that's on that runs the computer. BIOS or whatever. Release date. Do you need the oh, we do have some copper that converted all the way over. Right, this is oxidized. Yeah, all nice. That didn't take very long. I thought you'd wait for like a really long time. Yeah. As soon as I got done updating, then I could just start the stream again. The stream just crashed because, like I said, I was updating the same thing that I was trying to do. Second screen. Oh yeah, the screen's popped up as soon as possible. As soon as they finished. What is the release date? Release inside driver. Is it a single driver release? Associated with the system back in 2018. Okay. Update driver. Is it a single driver release, but rather a part of the Windows 10 core files that built the version associated system offering those dates? Okay, what else can we update? We did both of those. Firmware. What is system firmware? Must be something that's like on the motherboard, I guess. Human interface devices. This is all the controllers, I guess. What was it asking? Oh, monitors maybe. Would monitors cause problems? Let me see what it said. Restart, disconnect devices. A simple restart, fix temporary glitches, fixing all non-essential external devices, printers, USB drives. Oh, okay. I kind of have, I mean, I guess they're not essential, but I have like, you know, controllers and stuff. Why split screen then? Why is there split screen? So you guys could watch Minecraft and you guys can watch me talk about black screen of death or blue screen of death. Update drivers. Okay, update your graphics. We did that already. The chip drives from your PC manufacturer. So Okay, that would include Intel, right? Or hardware maker. Drivers from your PC manufacturer website or hardware. Oh yeah, we did that too. Update other critical drivers like network, audio. How if we update network? Here's network. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure I don't use all this. Thing is, if you just click this button, it doesn't actually update it. It just says, oh, you got the best one. But do I really have the best one? And I went through all these and clicked that button before. Ooh. Update other critical drivers like network. This is the only network one, right? Oh, put you in their ad. What does this even mean? What is... Okay, is the hardware wired Ethernet, allowing it to connect local network via chip. Your physical network port needing specific driver function properly at high speed. Power control. And its physical cables next to your motherboard. Supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. That's pretty fast. Family controller. Driver software. Okay, so driver. So, how do we find the one we want? It says this is... I guess we could look it up. Driver release date. Was released 2015. It's over 10 years ago. What is latest driver? Oh, if there's a latest one. Hey May, what's up? It says a wonderful good morning, big man. Good morning for you. Getting close to night for me. How have you been? How you liking the Christmas holidays? A lot of green. trying to fix my blue screen of death I've been getting. I've been getting quite often. It says check your drivers. Try to see if I can update the driver. We already updated the graphics card and the internal graphics card. Now it says maybe check. Oh, I guess it does say the driver date right there. So check the network driver. This is what it said here. It says update other critical drivers like network, audio, etc. We've done the scan thing before. This never. I guess it showed a little bit, but it didn't show too much. Didn't show anything major. Issue recently. Store point. Check for overheating. It should not be overheating. Like it says, I'm running at 58 Celsius, which I believe is within the normal. Update Windows. Make sure your system has the latest Windows update. It should be the latest Windows update. We checked that a few times. Let me just try to get Windows. Check for Windows. Last check today. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can update. Open your device manager. Right click. Network adapters. I think that's what we're doing right now. Device manager, network adapters, yeah. Download, get drivers from source above. Ensure it matches your operating system. Okay. Okay. Run the download setup file or update via device manager. I think I understand that part. Let me see if we can find the correct one. So there's a whole bunch here, right? So we're dealing with Windows. This product is covered by one or more following patents. Okay. Okay. I mean, it looks like it's kind of the same for everybody. We are Windows 10, so we got these two options here. Not support power saving. This one's we're from the correct website as far as I can tell. We'll download it. The file is ready to download. The file will start downloading after click. What? Make you do a CAPTCHA? I can't. Can you guys read that? My computer's in dark mode. I guess I could just try. I think it's a 4YILAY. Probably not. Is that a G or no? Guys, there's a G right beside a 9. MTAB. Hard to read it is, yeah. No, it's 22 minutes past midnight. Oh, dang. Oh, that's why it's morning for you. Do like a Christmas season, but I really like being alone, to be honest. Yeah, sometimes it's nice to just have some alone time. I'm an introvert, so I don't mind. I could go weeks without seeing somebody. Story of the future, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, you're in the 22nd. What's the actual problem now? We don't really know. We get these black screens of death messages, and every black screen death message is a little bit different, but they're all kind of overlapping, saying something about the graphics card, or no, something about drivers, and then possibly graphics drivers, but we've been updating them and downgrading them, and we've been doing this for a couple months now. Code is matched, starting download. Okay, it is download right now. Okay, still downloading. What SSD do you got? Is it Samsung? Where would it be? Yeah, Samsung. 850 Evo. A lot of SSDs got fried during a Windows update, same as mine. What do you mean by fried? Like noticeably fried, or just like just enough to cause problems? Because I mean, mine's not fried. Not noticeably fried. I mean, I ran a few different checks. You know, these different checks they say to do, right? Where is it? So they said do like the scan now check. We'll probably do these again sometime in the future. Try to do everything. Copy text. Oh, not as redeem. Story time. Hey. Nice. Save your points up. I'll do a funny story. Oh yeah, that's cool. Capture. Fried enough for black screens, but not fried enough to show up in console. Huh. I wonder if there's a way to test it. Well, actually, some of these tests, I'm pretty sure some of these tests went through the storage things and looked for corruption and stuff. So, but yeah, let's do the funny story while it's downloading. Guys, I know you guys can redeem funny story, scary story, and much more. Ooh, I think I'm running out of stories. Okay, here's a funny story. So one time I took my dad out to go eat at like a fast food restaurant. We went in and sat down. We had like a burger, some fries, like a soda, and like ice cream cone, right? Like the real classic stuff that you get like at a restaurant, fast food restaurant. And somehow we brought up the price of the meal. You know, whatever it was. My dad's like, oh man, that's so expensive. Man, you know, it costs so much. I was like, all we did was get a little burger and some fries and, you know, ice cream cone. We hardly got anything here. I was like, oh yeah, I don't know, this is what the price is. And he's like, yeah, you know, back when I was in, I think he said, yeah, I think he said he was like 7th grade. It's like, yeah, back when I was in 7th grade, you know, we would drive from school during lunchtime, and we'd drive to these convenience stores, and with 50 cents, we'd buy a burger, an ice cream cone, and get some fries, and all it cost was 50 cents. So there's your funny story about how Dad was talking about how it only cost 50 cents back in the day, and now we spend like, I mean, if you spend like $5 a meal, I mean, it's fairly cheap. You know, like even McDonald's doesn't have a dollar menu. I mean, let me just ask. Yeah, I see what. How much does it cost for a McDonald's small burger, fries, drink, and ice cream cone? $7 to $10, AI says. Probably call it value meal, value menu now instead of dollar menu. Yeah, so like even getting a $5 meal is on the low end. But he got it for 50 cents. I hope you enjoyed your funny story there, Nada. Oh yeah, there's some funny quotes. Inflation sounds interesting. Yeah, inflation. Are we talking about PTP? Precision Time Protocol? I don't think so. I think we're talking about we're updating the network controller. I think I downloaded now though. Okay, so now let me just make sure we download the right one. So I downloaded this one. Uninstall program. Let's see what's inside this thing. Oh, there's an exe file. Do I just run this? Oh, James is here too. We got all the well-known people. I actually said that. That's funny. James got 230 stream streak. Oh my goodness, I just noticed that. Oh wow. Man, you're dominating. That's crazy. 230. 230 streams. I don't even know how many. They say we do about 4 streams a week. Like 4 times 50. So that's like over a year worth of being to all the streams. That's crazy. Windows install, Windows 10. What is the latest driver? Let's see if it matches up. Ends in 225 or 2611. I just double click it and see what happens, guys. Oh, a semiconductor company. It wants to put it into my install Windows temperature. Sure. What will happen? Install Shield Wizard. Install shield wizard. I can't really read this. Okay. We'll install Ethernet controller drive for your computer to continue. Okay. Next. Click to install. If you want to review or change any of the settings, click back. Okay. Install. See if my internet cuts out or not. Oh, new driver is I don't think the number matched this number over here though. I'm a cat. That's a funny quote. Let me see. Sounds about right. Yeah, it has to be over here. Oh, I did. Okay. It took a little while, but
Stream crashed again, I believe.
No. Remember, I just said that the internet might die because we're updating the drivers for the internet. The internet controller.
Well, at least OBS didn't have a chance to save the stream.
Because it killed the internet, the stream couldn't find the internet. It also kicked me off of the server. But yeah, we should be back now.
At least OBS didn't stop and restart the stream.
Yeah. Oh, I was about to restart OBS because it was taking a while to find the internet. Like, it found the internet really quickly for Minecraft. Like, it instantly let me log back in again. But OBS was like, it tried like 3 times.
Well, I'm returning to chat only.
Now help me find good quotes. Wait a minute, you have access to all the quotes. Wisdom of Ray. What was the quote? You can do it if you have the ability to do it. Yeah, that's a classic. Number 4. It's giving. It is what it is. Oh yeah, that's a good quote. Last words were, has to be over a year. Heard Windows sound? Yeah, the Windows sound was saying, we lost internet. Stream is okay? Awesome to hear that, May. Okay, well, we updated. Well, let's see if it actually did update. We go here, we go to properties. Oh yeah, this is a new one, 2025. Nice. Okay. Okay. I don't know if there's anything else we need to update. The way it's been going is that we've been updating something and then we're thinking like, oh yeah, maybe we just fixed the blue screen of death problem. And then it's like, okay guys, I'll see you next stream. And the next stream we just have blue screen of death problems. And then we start over again. We try changing something and they were like, oh, that probably fixed it. What else did it say? Let me read it. AI is helping me. Update audio. Audio. I mean like speakers? Audio input output. What is? Oh wow, there's a whole bunch of them. I'm confused. There's no speakers on my Blue Yeti. That doesn't make any sense. I don't think there's speakers. Hello. There's a microphone. Yeah, some of my monitors have speakers on them, which I don't use. Seems like you're gonna be mute or death for a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna update these or not. The Twitch one their ads? I think so. Just want to see what last time. 2019. Why don't they ever update anything? Oh, you have the best one. Sure, I do. I do not believe you. Okay, well, we updated that. And Intel thing. I'll update that after the stream. How to stop a raid? Just kill a villager. Just kill all the villagers. Hey, I wasn't wrong. Beat the pillagers at their own game. Yeah, I beat them. They try to kill the villagers. I just killed them before. If it works, it works. Let me look at some other the blue screen of death messages and just see what they say. Because I have a few of them and they're all a little bit different. More blue screens of death. Okay. So we looked at that one. Oh no, we started looking up that one, but then we got another one while looking up that one. Multiple IRP complete request. Multiple IRP. What's this? Windows, a window driver tried to finish an IO request packet. Was already finished, usually indicating a buggy driver, often related to USB drivers, network adapters, and graphics card. The two drivers fight over completing the same request. Oh. Faulty USB Wi-Fi drivers. Don't have a Wi-Fi driver, but I have USB. Graphics drivers. Third party like antivirus gaming. Oh, see the thing, I got so many things on my computer. But like I said, it is kind of overlapping with the other ones. Okay, so we looked up another blue screen of death thing, and it is also mentioning the graphics card as well as drivers. Let's see what it says, how to fix. Blue screen reviewer, check. Oh, thanks for the drink up, Gilly. Appreciate that. GPU drivers. Update, get latest chipset, USB network graphics drivers from your PC components manufacturing website, not just Windows Update. Okay, so we did graphics drivers, we did network, we could do USB. I think the chipset, I think that's the Intel chip that I have, and I think we did that one already. So we could do USB. The problem is, I think there's a lot of USB. Where are those even at? these get updated? Oh, we updated these. Oh no, why does it still say 2009? Oh, here it is. Generic. So if I say update, already installed. It says already installed. But if you look at the date, oh, it is actually a fairly new one. This year. Let me see if the other ones are this year too. Ring ring to you. This is 4. Okay, I mean that's not too bad. Oh, 2006. Composite drive. What is a composite drive? Composite. I know this is my hub thing. Composite device. I do not drive. Da, 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 da. Just in a premature defeat instead of victory. That's true. Always try to move to Linux. Oh no, no way I'm gonna get to Linux because, like, look how much trouble I'm having with Windows doing most of the work already. I think I'd be so lost with Windows or Linux. I just don't have time to do all that stuff. May says 1 through 10. Wait, 1 through 10 what? Message on Twitch. To you about fish farm. Fixed it. Forgot trapdoor in the corner. Oh, okay. You make a collection of the latest airs and send it to it on your server so we could do some research. All the blue screen of death messages, they're all a little bit different, but they're all kind of pointing towards drivers being wrong. So I think we kind of know what the problem is, if this is really the problem. The thing is, like, how many of these drivers do you really want to manually update? That's the question. I'm like, right now it's like, okay, I run into this driver, right? And it says it's from 2006, right? First of all, it's like, what is this driver? When I update it, it tells me I have the latest. It already tells me I have the latest version, which doesn't make any sense. Oh, it's a window build. I don't know. It seems kind of old, right? Random number. You want me to choose a random number? 8. What's the issue you're trying to fix, says Gilly. Blue screens of death. We had 4 of them today already during the stream. They only happened during the stream. Right? So it's so hard for me to fix this problem when I'm not streaming. So I literally have to stream with you guys and try to fix the problem. Which kind of stinks because my computer crashes a lot. And the stream crashes a lot. Yeah, I don't think I can handle Linux. Is it OBS? We've downgraded OBS to a version prior. Before we used to have the blue screen of death, so it's not OBS on its own. It could be OBS plus something. My current goal is to just. I was like downgrading stuff, thinking that would fix it, but I think some of this stuff it just isn't getting upgraded. It says it's getting upgraded, but it's really not. I mean, look at this, 2006. That's 10 years old. Or I mean, no, that's 20 years old. Like, can I get? I don't know what does this thing even do? What is? Hmm. Okay, I think it's just the UBS or USB. The thing is, if I want to update this, drivers. Latest driver. It comes from Windows Update automatically. Except it's not doing it. Fails. Check the device manufacturer. Like for a specific mouse or webcam? Wait, really? I thought this was the actual USB slot in the computer. I didn't think it was a thing that was connected to the USB. Oh, I don't quite get it. Have you checked in Task Manager if any of the stuff spikes like CPU RAM usage? My GPU, once in a while my GPU will really spike. I do have this open all the time, but my GPU will go zoo up and down like super fast and back down again. But it's usually when there's something goes wrong, like it seems like the GPU crash or something. Can't remember if the CPU does it or not. But yeah, the internal and the external GPU would do that. I'm always keeping an eye on it. How to pick a fight with you? Da, 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 da. Oh, I'm a little bit confused. Open divided blah 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 blah. Oh, what's this? I had to sneeze. I think this is just how you find it, right? Locate. Go to the spur. Huh. Okay, that seems a little bit different. So they're saying like this is like one of my actual like mouse or something. Is that what you think this is, guys? I mean, here's my mouse is up here. So I had 3 mouse. Let me look at this one. I know this is a hub thing. This is where I turned one into several. That was updated relatively recent. But these are all 2006. Ray is not the only person reading this chat room. Uh-oh. Hey, Dark Shot. I don't mind playing chess with people that are not extremely good. Like, I used to enjoy playing chess as a kid. But, at some points it's like, It's no longer like a fun game. It's like super serious. Gilly says that's either the front or back USB panel. Hey, okay. So what are these other ones? So I have a hub, or I have two hubs. There's also this one. He says, I'm just a paying viewer at this point. Dun dun dun. Front or back hub? Oh, look at that. I got a lot of copper blocks that oxidized completely. It did not take as long as I thought. I just wonder if I should update this somehow, and if I can, like, how would I update this if I could update this? Like, I don't really know what the manufacturer is. Standard USB host controller. Oh, this. Gilly says, if it's something wrong with those, your affiliate should stop working and you would most likely have yellow warning signs next to one of those. Oh, okay. But the thing is, like, there's something that's not quite right that's causing blue screen of death, right? And one of the things they said is right, they said update your chip, which I think we did already. We already did the network, we already did the graphics drives. They also said update your USB. Well, how do I update the USB? Let me look up the next blue screen death message. I have a bunch of them. Okay, we looked at that one. We have one that's called APC. Yeah. Okay, stop code. Artistic is often caused by faulty drivers. See, it's going back to faulty driver, audio, printer, corrupt system files. We already did a scanner computer that didn't find anything corrupted. We checked. I'm pretty sure we checked the RAM already. We did this scanner already. We checked the RAM to see if problematic startup program. We did that. So yeah, it's pretty much back down to this. Audio printer. I don't have a printer. We could try to look at audio. This is the monitors. Let me just see what. Monitors are kind of old though. 2019. That's not bad. Okay, driver. After booster death, crash logs are primarily found in the Windows. Yeah, we looked at those too, Gilly. What it would say, it would just say the same blue screen death message. It just say the same thing as this. So the AI is actually more helpful because I can type this in and it will tell me. That thing didn't tell me like what it actually means. It would just tell me this blue screen of death message again. And Windows 10, I can't upgrade to Windows 11 because of my CPU. Oh, yes, CPU. I don't know about those tools. You said those tools for deeper debugging. Possibly. I I mean, would you think they're better than just asking AI about the blue screen death message? Because I remember I went into there and it was, like I said, pretty much the exact same thing as this here. Just told me the same blue screen death message. But I can, if I have problems, I could try to do that. Okay, so yeah, I guess one thing I do need to update is, I guess we already did that. I'll probably update the GPU once we end the stream. Okay, we got quite a few copper that converted, so we need these in order to, we're gonna try to do the little trick that I showed yesterday, that video, where we're going to use them to place a block midair, so we get to the last biome. Na, 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 na. By the way, are your azalea tree farm still? I think so. Yeah, it should still work. Can't think of anything that would change. But yeah, we have been streaming for over 5 hours. It's typically how long I stream before my voice gets tired. Let's find somebody to raid. Stick around, guys. We can raid as one big party. While I get that going, make sure you guys are following me here on Twitch and also all my other socials. I got a YouTube channel, of course. Make sure you're subbed over there. I got a Discord community. Hop over there and help answer people's questions in the help channel. A lot of people ask common Minecraft questions. I'm sure you guys can help with. Really appreciate all the help. I also got a Twitter where I let people know when I go live and new videos and everything else. All that good stuff. Also have Patreon if you guys want to support me. It's the cheapest way through Patreon. And you get a bunch of cool goodies along with it. I also got TikTok and Instagram where I upload my shorts videos. Oh, who can we raid? You can find somebody. I do got Reddit as well. I post some of my videos. I also got Facebook. Recently started that up. Got Facebook. Check me out at Ray's Works. And I got a second YouTube channel where I post all the streams when they get completed. I upload them over there. Oh, let's see. Still trying to find somebody to raid. Represent is English as well as also playing vanilla survival. Turns out to be a bit hard than I thought. Yeah, my new PC should be end of December. Last pieces should come in. I wonder if I could search keywords. You guys have any suggestions of who we should raid? How did the RAM problem get resolved? Which RAM problem? I think I had a couple of them. I mean, I just updated I think the RAM drivers. I think those did get updated, so I don't... I think that was okay. It's actually kind of crazy how many non-English Minecraft streams there is. Like I think it's actually more than English ones. Why is it so hard to just find vanilla Minecraft player? Let me see. I think this person's doing a building. I guess we can raid them. Minecraft at BS Realm. Okay, sure. We'll raid them. We'll see what they're up to. I think they're just doing some building in Minecraft. Let me turn the stream on.
Maybe more like this?
Yeah, they're doing some building. Okay, we'll raid them. Yeah, thanks guys tuning in today's stream. Appreciate everybody hanging out. I do shoot every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We were playing on the supporter server earlier, and then we got some time to try to fix the blue screen of death problem. Won't probably persist once I get a new computer, but I would like to fix this computer either way, just to see what the problem actually is. Da, 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 da. Let's see. I think I'll snooze it one more time. But yeah, as always, when we do the raid, guys, copy the raid message in chat. Everybody copy the raid message there and paste it into the stream that we're raiding. I'll see you guys this Tuesday. Yeah. And hope you guys have a great Christmas if I don't see you. As always, bye-bye.